Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for a new makeup brush, I have to highly recommend this Pure Beauty Chisel brush. So one thing that I really appreciate about this is that I have had it for a long time and it still works as good as new. So I feel like this is a very durable, high quality product. I also like how densely packed the bristles are. I think that that's really nice for makeup application. And it feels very soft, very comfortable on my skin. I personally use this for blush, but I've also used it for powdered foundation in the past. And I'm very happy with the results of both of those different applications. I use this brush to apply my blush today, and I'm quite happy with how it came out. So this is a great makeup brush, and that's my point of view.